Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tim. Most of y'all already know me, but for those of y'all that don't know me, that's my label on planet Earth is Tim. Anyway, this is psychology of gender. I'll get into that in a little bit later. My office doesn't really make sense, but here's my phone number and here's my email if you need to contact me. Now, before we go any further, one of the things that drives me crazy is resolution. I'm a video snob, so down here at the bottom of all my videos, you can change the resolution with the little gear tool, and you can also put on closed captions if you need to. Okay, so here's the syllabus. I just wanted to say a few things about it. There is a book, but y'all know me. It's like you won't need the book, but it is a good book. I base a lot of my lectures on the book. And there's 5 different things you need for this class. What do I mean by 5 things? Well, there's 4 exams and a media project. 5 times 20 equals 100, I think. And so that's where your grade comes from, are those 5 different things. And so the project is due a week before the end of the semester, which is December 11th. It is a self-paced class, but try not to wait until the very last week to do your project and all the exams because it's just going to pile up on you. Okay, here's the last part of the syllabus that I have. Today we're doing Module 0. You're watching Getting Started, and I want you to take the syllabus acknowledgement so I know you're out there. But besides that, there's 4 exams, 1, 2, 3, 4 modules, plus the 5th one, which is the media project, and I'll talk about that more in just a minute. Okay, so here we are back on Canvas. I just want to explain a few things on Canvas and then we'll be done with this little video. So you're already doing this right here using this course. And I want you to take the syllabus acknowledgement today. But besides that, you might have noticed I have this right here, and I do have a YouTube channel that houses all my videos for all my classes, but I don't want it to get confusing for people. So you don't have to go to my YouTube channel. So you just come right here on Canvas, and when you hit on video lectures for exam 1, they're not going to all be there yet because I'm working as hard as I can. You will see different lectures like introduction, methods, sexual differentiation, so on and so forth. So they will correspond with the topics on the syllabus. The other thing, most people have had me, is there a review for each exam. And so if you click on that, it looks kind of like this. And so for the first exam, there's more than one page to the review. You'll start to see the first topics that we're going to go through. So this is a guideline for what you should be looking at when you study for the exam. Now, I also mentioned a media project, and so here it is right here, down here on Module 5. Don't forget about it. And so I have an overview and tactics I'll talk about here in a minute, but basically it's these tactics that the media and advertisers use that perpetuate stereotypes of men and women. So the overview looks kind of like this. I don't want to go into all of it. You can go and read about it, but there's a rubric that talks about the grading and the point breakdown, but it's due on December 4th, like I mentioned before. So there's 5 different sections, 20% apiece. 5 times 20 is 100, right? You should see a theme going on. So here's the tactics, and they're out there too as a part of Canvas. And you have these different things the media uses, but one of my favorite ones, the easiest one to talk about, is dismemberment. It sounds kind of, odd, but basically it's this. When you look at women, especially in different photos, it can happen to men too, like Abercrombie and Fitch, but they'll just show their body but not their head. So when they crop the photo, they crop the head out of the photo. And the idea is that it's only the body that counts and the head's not really connected to it. And so it's really kind of trippy, but I really like that one. And so that's one of the advertisements that you would focus on. And there's 3 other ones. The 5th section is just you pick one of the ones that you talked about and say why it's the most damaging. So I'll go into that, like I said, on another day. Now, come full circle, as far as today, do this right here, syllabus acknowledgement, and go here. There's probably the introduction, at least, lecture, and maybe the research methods lecture right now. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My phone number is right here, my office number. It'll ring to me. And also, here's my email, so email me. Okay, I hope you have a good day. I wish we were in person, but it's nice to meet you.